Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to change battery health settings on this laptop. So in order to do that, first you're gonna have to enter BIOS, and to enter BIOS on this laptop, press the power button once and then start repeatedly pressing F10 button until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. And once you see the BIOS menu on your screen, you have to go to the advanced section, then select Power Management Options in the Advanced section, and to change your battery health settings, you have to expand this list and select the value that fits you the most. Once you select a different value, you will also get the information about what this setting does. So for example, maximizing your battery health will maximize your battery health by lowering your available full charge capacity, so which means that your laptop's battery will not be fully charged, but this will prolong your battery lifespan. And changing it to let HP manage my battery charging will balance your battery health and battery duration, and maximizing your battery duration will set your battery capacity to 100, which will maximize your battery duration but will shorten your battery's lifespan. As you can see, you also have a bunch of different options in power management, but they are not related to your battery health. But still, you can get to know with some of them if you like. And to apply settings, you have to press F10, then select Yes, and then wait until your device is restarted. And to decline them, of course, you can also press F10 and then select No. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.